Okay, so let's start second lecture. In this lecture we will going to basically make a UI for our app. So first we are going to make this project in our Android Studio. So let's first make our new project. Select an empty activity for this, then next put a name for our app like book. As I said, let's keep its name as a bookkeeper app, or we'll just say bookkeeper. Then press on finish. So this will make our new project. So our project modules are getting loaded. So basically we are making UI for our app in this lecture. So first, so we will be going in activity main. Which is the first page which will open, first activity which will open when we open our app. So it's loading. So our Gradle is syncing, so it's taking time. So okay, so it is now completed. So we will make the UI now. So in this we'll change this to, we'll first basically make two buttons, one for admin, one for users. Okay, so I will be using linear layout for that. Basically linear layouts, using linear layouts we can add buttons vertically, sorry, we can add buttons vertically. So I am writing here linear layout. Okay, so I will add two buttons. So I am removing this text view button. So it will be wrap content. So and text. So this button will be for admin, and another button. So let's another button for the user. Wrap content. Users. Okay, so you can see that these buttons have been arranged horizontally, so we can arrange them vertically by using this attribute Android orientation. Just Android orientation, we want it as vertical, so we can see two buttons is there. We can also add margins if you want, but let it be. So two buttons. So this will be the UI for our starting page. We can also modify it, but I want to keep it as simple as possible. But let's add some space between two buttons. Okay, same for this. Okay, so now we have created the first UI for our activity.